Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the plug on your Dyson DC19 vacuum cleaner can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be done easily at home. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. You will require a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a wire stripper, and a new plug suitable for your vacuum. If you do not have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient to get your vacuum serviced without hassle. Once you have the tools ready, start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the power source to ensure safety. Next, locate the 2 screws at the base of the plug. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Be sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently pull the plug casing apart to expose the internal wiring. Take note of how the wires are connected. There will typically be 3 wires: live, neutral, and earth. It's crucial to remember their positions for the reassembly. If needed, take a photo for reference later. Now, using the wire stripper, carefully strip about ½ an inch of insulation from the ends of each wire. This is important to ensure a proper connection with the new plug. While doing this, ensure you do not cut the wires themselves. If you feel unsure about handling electrical components, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation to help you get the best advice. Next, take the new plug and open its casing. You will notice terminals labeled for live, neutral, and earth connections. Connect the corresponding wires to these terminals, ensuring that the live wire goes to the live terminal, the neutral wire to the neutral terminal, and the earth wire to the earth terminal. Tighten the screws on each terminal securely to hold the wires in place. Once the connections are made, carefully close the plug casing, ensuring no wires are pinched or exposed. Use the flathead screwdriver to replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the plug casing tightly. It's essential to ensure the casing is closed properly to avoid any electrical hazards. Now that the new plug is attached, it's time to test your vacuum cleaner. Plug it into the power source and turn it on. If everything works correctly, you're good to go. If you encounter any issues, we offer a quote before repair to ensure you understand any costs before proceeding with further repairs. Finally, it's a good practice to clean the inside of the vacuum cleaner while you have it opened. Dust and debris can accumulate and affect performance. Use a dry cloth to wipe down the interior components carefully. Regular maintenance will keep your Dyson DC19 running efficiently. If you prefer not to deal with this yourself, remember that we provide no calls, no travel options for your convenience. Simply reach out, and we'll handle the rest. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.